Jay on the beat.
Wow, the sound of reggae. Yeah. Reggae music. Why? It is time. Reggae music. In a many people to rush to hear the music. In many people to rush to hear the music. The reggae music. Reggae music. Reggae music. Reggae. Everybody, it took on name of the brat. You call the name of the Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastiku, the Jah. The people call the name. You don't understand for West. You don't know reggae music. Reggae. It's sometimes reggae music. Sometimes. Yeah. The many people still call the name. The Jah Rastafari, the Jah, the reggae mind, the Rastafari, the Rasta the cook in the fights, the Rastafari, in the sound of music, in the sound of music, the reggae music. Many people still feeling reggae. You and I feeling reggae. You're feeling, you mean it as you know it. It's to mention the name of the reggae music to the people start to call the name of the Jah Rastafari man. The Rastafari, the Rasta man. Cool. Sometimes night when I want to travel, I see the road, the many people still crying for the road. I don't know. Yeah. Rest many things wine. Team loud. Cool. The woman's to suffering. The woman's to crying. The people to worrying everything to crying for what not happens. The hungry people, hungry mind, hungry woman, the hungry mind. Who ain't call the name of the Jah Rastafari, the Jah Rastafari and the Rastaku. Hear the singer, the music about the reggae. Watch out, see. The winding hours travel to see the road, the people to tell them. You can listen, you don't know what happened. Yeah. Here see the women, in the people to suffer, to cry. The women to suffer. The women to suffer. The women to suffer.